sing the song that makes us so happy.
Yeah.
We could
Dance!
Hello and welcome back to Skyline Fan ATM how-to video. In this video today we're going to be showing you guys how to deposit the cash at Halifax. So of course, like mentioned, it's exactly the same as Lloyds as it's part of the same banking group. It's going to show the exact same thing what you've got to do. And we're at Halifax in Hornchurch. We're going to show you guys how to do it in action. Like mentioned, if you're depositing inside the bank, I'll tell you how to. But for now, we are at Halifax in Hornchurch and we're going to show you how to do it in action. So here I am at Halifax in Hornchurch and I'm going to show you how to make a cash deposit there. So I'm going to go to the cash point. I'm going to show you what ATM it will be and what card you have to use. This is the Halifax cash machine, as you can see over there, that says in and out. Before we do anything, we need to make sure you've got a Halifax card for this one. You can have the Lloyds Bank debit card as well, but I'm using my Halifax debit card, of course, because it's one that's a Halifax branch, of course. So we're going to be depositing a tenner for you, and it's exactly the same process as Lloyds, by the way. So again, it's either insert your card or press the slot here, and then put in your Lloyds or Halifax account or sort code on your account number, and then you put in your notes from this side here, or you can put in your card in Bank of Scotland, Halifax or Lloyds. Halifax, Lloyds or Bank of Scotland. So yeah, so let's just get things underway by just inserting your card with the chip facing up, because a lot of people get confused. So remember, chip facing up and it will take it in for you. So let's put it in now. And then you have to put in your PIN number, enter your PIN, make sure no one's watching. And then you have the option for cash only, cash with receipt, balance, mini statement, PIN services, and payments and transfer and deposits on this particular machine. Because obviously it's got a built-in deposit feature. So we're going to tap on deposit. And then it says, what would you like to deposit? You can only deposit the notes. Please do not deposit a cheque. You have to do it all inside, or even better to do deposit and cheque is to do it via the app. So yeah, we're going to tap on deposit notes, and then you put in your notes in like that, put in your cash, and then tap on continue. And you have to confirm the following cash amount. So as you can see there, we're putting in £10. Do you wish to make the deposit? We tap on yes. And then it says, would you like a receipt after? We don't want a receipt. If you want a receipt, press yes and it will come out this side here, but we don't, so we're going to tap no. And then that's it. Nice and straightforward. So to recap, same process as Lloyds. You've got to insert your card, enter your PIN, tap on deposits, then deposit notes, then insert your notes in, then tap on continue, then it will count up your notes, tap yes to confirm the following cash amount, then choose if you want a receipt or not, and take your card, and then you're good to go. Another best thing is that if you're depositing a cheque, you can do it straight on the app. All you've got to do is go to the app, go to your account, and 3 bars, deposit a cheque. Another thing, you can also deposit the cash at Halifax or Lloyds with your with the PP. You can find any pay point. You can create the QR code and you can put up to a limit of £300, which is really handy. This also applies to Bank of Scotland as well. So yeah, so that is a nice quick tip. Now, if you're depositing inside, you put in your card, choose what would you like to deposit. So you can either choose cheque only, cash only, or cash and cheque. You choose any of those and you insert the cash or cheques into the machine. If you've got a check that the amount is correct, then tap correct. Otherwise, amend if it's wrong, and then confirm it again, tap yes, and choose if you want the receipt or not, and then take your card and your receipt if you've chosen it. Nice and straightforward. So I hope this video found it useful. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, turn the notification on so you never miss out what's new. Thanks for watching. My name is Jake. This is Skyline Game Fan. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.